Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn and Teach English. So my name is Aysha Siddika. I'm from Assam. So guys, right now I hope all are you doing great. I'm also good. So guys, today I will discuss some basic and important English words. So let's start. Okay. So this T-H-I-S. This and that. T-H-A-T. That. Okay. So there are singular words. There are singular words. There are singular words. Okay. So this used for something near you. That this used for something near you. Near. Okay. And that is used for something far from you. মানে this অকণমান ওচৰত, this is a book and that is a tree অকণমান দূৰত. Okay. near मतलब ওচৰত, far मतलब দূৰ, অকণমান দূৰত কি বুজায়? far আৰু ওচৰত near বুলি. Okay. So and guys, this another word, this and those. This and those, there are plural number. There are plural number. Plural words. This two same near मतलब ওচৰত and there are those দূৰত. Okay. So there are plural number. Yes. So for example, this, look at example. This is my book. এখন মোৰ কিতাপ. That is a tree. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my content, please support me by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.